Hi coders, welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 of the series Code Every Day. Let us quickly get to the system. Here I have come back to my system. Yesterday we have seen the difference between the print and the println statement. Today we will see how do we take an input from the user in Java. So let us quickly create a class. We'll right click on this src folder, click on new and go to Java class. Name it as anything of your choice. Let me name it as code everyday 002 and let me write the main method. Public static void main string args curly braces. So remember, this is the mandatory step that needs to be written for every code because this is the entry point of execution of code. So for every code should have a main method. Now, how do we take an input from the user? With the help of the scanner class object. Okay, let me show you the syntax of it. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. See, there is an error popping up which shows the import class is missing. So let us import it. Import java.util package for the scanner class. See, the error is no more. Now suppose I want to take an integer number from the user. How do I do that? I need to declare my variable of int data type. Int num equals to sc.nextInt. Okay, this is how you take an integer input. Suppose I want to display it. The number is plus number. Okay, let me print and show you. It's asking for an input. Suppose I enter as 27. See, the number 27 is getting printed. Now let me show you an example with the help of string. Let me take a string input. String str1 equals to sc.nextLine. This is how you take a string input. Let me display it. System.out.println. The string is plus str1. Okay, let me run and show you. Suppose let me write the string as hello world. See, the string is getting printed as hello world over here. Now let me show you a quick next example. Let me take one more string input. String str2 equals to sc.next. Here you will understand the difference between next and next line. Let me display this. System.out.println. The string is str2. Okay, let me run it. Here, let me write the first string as hello world. See, the first string hello world is getting simply printed as I wrote it. Now let me take the next string as 1, 2, 3 and let me print it. See, the first space after that, whatever is there in the string is not getting printed. Just the first word in the string is getting printed before the space. This is the difference between next and next line. Next line will print the whole string that is written, but next will only take the string or the word that is before the first space. This is the difference. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.